Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. Just say you just a friend.
Alright, let's go.
We're ready.
We're ready.
It's been rolling.
I ain't got no juice.
Oh!
Oh,
woo!
won't you be my neighbor? Is my eye twitching? It feels like
It might be twitching. What's up, y'all? We're here for the old Cuban cocktail.
This is the final countdown.
The final countdown. Oh, all right. Okay, friends.
Yeah, a little itch. I feel like cracking.
An itch? Girl, I can't help you with that. Listen, friends.
I get that kind of itch.
I didn't know, you didn't specify.
Anyway,
Okay. All right.
old Cuban cocktail.
Yes. Okay, you guys, we're about to get into this. This is our last hurrah, okay? And this is very similar to a mojito with a little bit of difference, okay? Allegedly, okay?
Not Cuban, by far. Anyway,
Correct. It still falls in our slate of
prohibition. Is it prohibition?
I don't know about that part. I was gonna go for champagne cocktail. I don't know prohibition.
Dancery, like Mary J. Blige, whatever.
Okay, all right.
Anyway.
Let's run through the ingredients and then let's get started. Okay,
Okay.
You need an aged rum.
Okay.
Do what you do with that. Whatever aged rum is in your prerogative. Lime juice, angostura bitters, mint, lime wedges for garnish, simple syrup. Okay, so that's what we're finna do, and some champagne to top it off. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 6 mint leaves. Just go ahead and pick through that, child. I
I
don't.
feel like we're going back to my ancestors at this point.
Okay. And we are gonna take 3/4 ounce of our lime juice.
Okay. 3/4. I mean,
A little bit off the top.
boom, shakalaka.
1 ounce of our simple syrup. So I'll take, okay, you could do that. I'm gonna smooch that right there, the top for the lime juice. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Kraken. Ooh, I have not opened this in a while. Okay, we're good.
Fun fact, fun story. Not so fun for me, but more probably fun for you. So I hung out with a few good friends, and we decided to do shots of the Kraken. And
Shots?
Kraken won.
Shots?
The Kraken won that night for me. However, I did make it home safely. I do remember how I got home.
Oh,
so it was
well, that's a
pleasant
plus.
night. However, I wasn't the first one that fell. Yeah.
Oh, well, hey. This is a lot of pluses. You weren't the first one to fail. You remember what
but
you
the
did.
Kraken definitely took some people out. So, in being the only girl, well, one other girl, it was definitely a win. Yeah.
But what you're saying, you were the winning girl.
Yeah, I was a winner.
Okay, very good.
Anyways, how much is this?
1.5 ounce. Yeah, oh no. Oh! Did you drive or did you get dropped off?
No, I definitely drove, and I drove in a lower
Oh,
car.
because rumor has it you got.
want to be safe from all of that bullshit.
Cause rumor is you got dropped off today. Ooh, you got dropped off today.
Today and yesterday is totally two different things. And I did get dropped off.
Oh, okay.
Yeehaw.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit a couple dashes of this angostura bitters. Ooh, ooh. Okay, we're gonna put the top on here and we're gonna shake this for a change.
Oh shit.
Oh wait, sorry, with ice. We needed to add the ice. It's my fault. I take responsibility. Go ahead and add a little things with that, and I'll add a little things with that. I was distracted by my joke. I take responsibility for this. A woo. A woo.
Is this gonna be the drink that gets me gassed up?
One hopes so. I mean, if the last ones didn't.
Let's look before we pour this. Unpopular. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Leonardo.
You wanna be
Catholic.
Oh!
I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Here. Just gonna say that. Leonardo.
Why is your voice going to a different echelon?
Because he's taking me to pizza that I don't even know about. Anyway, okay, Leonardo.
Is it a recent?
Blue Rose in Titanic. How dare you, bitch? How dare you?
Did you see his recent accomplishment? Is this where it's coming from? I'm confusion.
Wait, what? I know he played in a movie with Tiana Taylor.
Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about.
That. I don't really care. She wasn't meant for him. She wasn't meant for him. However, Leonardo. I think I'm gonna make my child Leonardo. It's sophisticated.
Okay, so I don't want to be that person, but
Girl, I'm
she.
about to make you the godmommy. Please don't fuck this shit up. Go ahead, I'm listening.
She did kill that role. However, the film that they were in was trash.
The part that took me out of it was when she was shooting the gun.
Yeah,
and
with
she
the
was pregnant.
Yeah,
That part took me out of it.
You guys, we're talking about one battle after another. If you're not familiar, go ahead and look that up on the HBO Max. What I will say is, listen, I love Leo. It wasn't my fave. Oh, it is a little brown. It is a little brown. It's a little brown.
We topping this off?
Yeah, you gotta top that off with a little bit of champagne. Okay. It unfortunately is giving me a little fig action, but hopefully it doesn't taste like that. We're not even gonna try to toast this. Okay, woo! Like little fingers. Okay, here we go. I think the child said it's just a mess, and I don't know. I feel like this may be foreboding.
Oh, she go first.
Okay, fair enough. Friends.
For that time if anybody's still living.
Okay, so we were supposed to, okay, I'm gonna try this. I don't think it's gonna help that much. We're supposed to top it off with a little lime. I don't think this is gonna help, guys. I'm gonna be complete. What the fuck did you just do? Oh God, okay. Okay, so children, it's just okay. Okay, here were our hopes for the old Cuban cocktail. We was hoping for a little old fun, a little zest, a little wah, 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 wah. It wasn't giving any of this. It's giving, we tried but didn't try that hard. Okay, so it's okay. It's not, so I'm not classifying it as horrible. I think that Brittany may be classifying it as horrible. I'm not classifying it as horrible, but it's just really just baseline okay. I'm gonna give this a 5. It's just okay, guys. It's not great. I can't say this. I give it a 5. Go ahead.
Obviously, I was born in the right time that I was born at, because back then I wouldn't last if it had to deal with alcohol. This is horrible. Do not recommend. Do not pass. Go straight to jail. Do not collect $200. This is nasty. All right.
Okay, she don't like that.
Truly have not throughout this whole segment found a wonderful cocktail that I will enjoy in Great Gatsby. I was hoping to do that segment of when it was, you know, I was hoping to do all of that, and I have not found that cocktail. And honestly,
what about the Passion French 75 though?
Girl, I need like 7 of those before I get to that point.
Okay.
Well, that was the best one.
Okay.
However, I mean, French 75 in general in my day and age will be fine.
Okay.
This is nasty as hell. I do not recommend it. Do not go. Do not collect $200. Go straight to jail. This is disgusting as hell. I have came up in the 90s where I belong.
Well.
And this time, no. Y'all are just nasty. If anybody's watching that.
Okay. So I am not disagreeing. I don't think it's full on nasty, but what I think is it's very basic and it's not giving. It's not giving. It's not giving.
It's not giving. Some form of sweetener. Like y'all didn't believe in sugar back then. It was straight salt.
I think that. Well, I think that they thought the rum would be enough, and
if this is a Cuban, I don't want it.
It's just okay, guys. It's just okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and rate the cocktails that we have done. Okay. I've got to go first, huh? Lovely. All right, so we tried a total of 4 cocktails. We tried the Sealback cocktail. We tried the Passion French 75. We tried the Summertime Soiree and the Old Cuban. I'm probably gonna go that the Passion French 75 was my number 1 in terms of positive plus. Okay. I'm gonna go the Sealback cocktail next, the Summertime Soiree after that as in 3rd, and the Old Cuban with a 4th. So, what is your determination?
All right, ladies and gentlemen. For first, Passion French 75. Second will be Old Cuban, which is this one.
Okay.
3 will be. I will have to go with Sealback cocktail, and then the last one will be Summertime Soiree. Honestly, excuse me.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta. You get it out your system. Yes, system.
Passion fruit will be the one that I will take from this segment and probably will use going forward.
Okay.
All the other ones can go straight to the garbage.
Oh.
To the landfill. It's disgusting as hell. You know, and honestly, although I enjoy tasting the finer things in life, such as champagne, I think I will stick with sparkling wine with my bougie people. Not bujato, but bougie people. Because honestly, let's be for real, unless it's like a special occasion, sparkling wine will get you through whatever in anything type of event. But like I said, this is.
So this is what I will say. I don't necessarily disagree with what you're saying. I think champagne can be fun, and that's what we tried to accomplish with this particular segment of, or this particular set of segment. But I do think that what we did try to do was try to go out of our range that we typically go to. Sometimes at times it works in our benefit, at times it doesn't work in our benefit, okay? So in this case, it didn't really work as well. And that's okay, we accept that. Friends, at the end of the day, I'm over here Lush with my sis. And damn, she just took a straight up shot of rum. Okay, she might be really feeling it. What I will say this is, if it brings you together with the people that you love most, that's a plus.
Is it? Is it?
Well, it can be unless you are
unless you're
dying.
Guaranteed to bring it with the people that you know you're going to end the year with, and I'm going to end it with her.
Okay, well, there we go.
We are a family.
Oh, here we go.
I don't
Come
know
on.
the words, but
Dude. I don't either. Okay.
Alright.
But I love you. And guess what, friends? We'll be back with more adventures. Okay.
Field trips, more shenanigans.
Just something different for
More
2026.
stuff.
Okay, friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you're looking forward to in the new year. Okay?
Ring that bell.
Hey, we'll talk to y'all later.
This is Nancy's spot.
Oh, okay. All right. Bye.